In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your primary email address on Facebook. Before we begin, make sure you have access to the new email inbox you want to use because Facebook will send a confirmation code there. It's also a good idea to keep your current email accessible during this process, just in case you need it for account recovery. Start by opening your web browser and going to facebook.com. On the login page, enter your Facebook login credentials and click Login. Always ensure you're on the official website and avoid entering your password on any pages that look suspicious. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage your account information. In the left-hand panel, find and click See More in Account Center. Account Center is where Facebook centralizes key settings for your profile, including contact details, especially if you also use Instagram. Inside Account Center, click Personal Details. On the next screen, choose Contact Info. This is where your phone numbers and email addresses are stored. Now click Add New Contact and then select Add Email. You'll be prompted to enter the new email address you want to use. Type it carefully to avoid typos. Next, select your Facebook account from the list and click Next to continue. Facebook will send a confirmation code to the new email address you just entered. Open a new tab or switch to your email app, check your inbox for the message from Facebook, and if you don't see it, look in your spam or junk folder. When you find the code, go back to the Facebook verification screen, enter the code exactly as shown, and click Next. When you see the success message, click Close. At this point, your new email has been added to your account and verified. In Contact Info, you'll see it listed along with any existing addresses. Facebook will use the email you've just confirmed for account communications, and in many cases, it becomes the primary contact for your profile. If you keep more than one email on file, the interface will clearly indicate which one is set as primary. That's all you need to do. You've successfully updated your Facebook account with a new email address. Keep your login details private and consider leaving the old email on your account for a short time as a backup. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, you're all set to continue using Facebook with your updated contact information.